North Atlantic right whales, each of the 300 or so of them left alive, have another weapon on their side. For quite a long time, marine biologist Mark Baumgartner has been conveying continuous listening gadgets that record whale melody. Presently, the lab he works for is cooperating with a marine transportation organization to convey 2 mechanical floats that will transfer area data on right whales back to shore. Woods Hole Oceanographic Institution fostered the tech so sailors and the general population have a thought of where the jeopardized well-evolved creatures are swimming, and can consequently forestall dangerous boat crashes, as per the present Associated Press report. "We need to change our modern practices when whales are near," Baumgartner said in a proclamation. "That's the thing this tech empowers. Having the business let us know what works and what doesn't is the most effective way to have arrangements that will really be executing." In 2021, AP detailed that right whale populaces were hitting a 20-year low, with just 300 or so people staying alive in the wild, a huge drop from 480 people in 2011. Albeit the whales used to be plentiful, environmental change is constraining them into hotter, more occupied waters as they look for food. Their proliferation and death rates have likewise been really dreary, and they're dependably defenseless against fishing net trap and crash. Baumgartner's new gadgets safeguard the creatures in manners that guidelines and rules proved unable. As people are make mass annihilation occasions in the sea unheard of since the hour of the dinosaurs, he may very well be the right whale's last expectation.